Welcome back everybody to another episode of Full Tilt Drift. Today we're going to be installing the engine back in the S14 that we've had out for a rebuild for the last couple months. Let's go. Hey guys, we got the engine inside because it started raining. We're going to put everything on we can in here, and if we have to, throw the easy up outside so we can try and get this bitch in today. So while Lance is plugging up the intake manifold, I'm going to throw a couple gaskets on the water neck.
Wax yourself up?
I wax myself up 10. There is no gasket in this. They tried gasket maker around it. I'm really surprised this thing didn't leak. Here's an example of why you always check things even if it looks alright. This had no gasket in it. This is part of the water neck for the heater, and as you can see, it was starting to corrode heavily. New water nut gasket on. Getting that intake manifold all cleaned up for a new gasket. Oh yeah, that's because I got it from this size.
Yeah, it's not gonna work on that. That's way too much, yeah.
That is way too much, yeah. Alright, so I f***ed up. We got the wrong size hose for the heater bypass. So now we're gonna have to run back to AutoZone or something and get a smaller size. Attempt number 2. Shitty old PCV valve, good new PCV valve. Now we're going to continue torquing our flywheel. Next up is 75 foot-pounds and then 95. Alright, the flywheel's all on. Now we're going to put the clutch on. I've got a used ACT clutch and brand new ARP bolts. You should always replace your bolts when you change your clutch and or flywheel. Alright guys, so we had a problem with our clutch alignment tool. The splines fit the clutch, but not the tool doesn't fit the engine. So now we're putting electrical tape on it to size up the piece that fits into the engine. Alright, so we got the clutch on, and now we're going to start working on getting this thing into the car. Alright guys, success. We got the engine in the car, it's on both engine mounts, and we got the tranny bolts in. Alright guys, that's it for this time on Full Tilt Drift. We've got the engine in the car, which is our main goal for today. Next time, we're going to get the accessories on and do some more work on it. Check out the channel, like and subscribe if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time.